this white meat here. I'm gonna get as much as I can. See how this comes off, and it pulls so easy with the grain. Okay, kids, don't think I don't notice. I cook a lot, and I go to the store and I go, oh my, this is getting so expensive. I go to fast food restaurants, ridiculous. Everywhere, protein's so expensive. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna have some fun. I'm gonna show you guys how to do rotisserie chickens. We're gonna pre-portion it. I'm gonna pull it, not chop it. I like it pulled better. So I'm gonna pull it, I'm gonna put it in a bag. Tomorrow morning I'll divide it into nice, maybe 1.5 pound bags. And then I'll do a little series of all the things I can do with rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna start with some chicken tacos, where I think we'll get about 15 tacos for $10. So I'm going to do pork recipes, all kinds of things, using maybe not the most expensive protein, but a great one. But you certainly have to start with a Costco rotisserie chicken. These things are ridiculously good. We can make a great chicken salad, enchiladas, flautas, or jalapeno chicken alfredo. That's the one I'm gonna make. With this white meat here, I'm gonna get as much as I can. But if I do follow through with my threat of making soup, I wanna have some meat on the bone. See how this comes off, and it pulls so easy with the grain. Look at chicken salad, chicken sandwiches, chicken noodle soup. Now I pull the skin off. I don't want the skin because there's so many things I want to cook with it. But again, we're going to get these nice baggies full of this beautiful chicken. I can make a chicken dip. Not a dip with chips. I'm talking about a dip with au jus. Nice bakery bun. So we're going to cook some tacos in the morning too, or actually for lunch on the griddle. It's pretty hot outside here in the desert. It'll be over 100 degrees, but if I get there early enough, I'm pretty happy. Okay. Okay, stay with me. This is really pretty good. This is going to be really good, actually. I promise. I don't always promise many things, but this I do promise is going to be quite good. Okay, again, I have enough for my stock there. Let me just start pulling it. I'll bag it, and we'll be back at it in the morning. So a couple things. You know, you want to cut costs. Start growing stuff. Now, you get a little pot, and you can grow, geez, just one little tomato can keep you, so you don't have to buy any more tomatoes. They're organic. That is, if you don't put a bunch of pesticides on them. And they're significantly better than what you get in the supermarket. Corn, beans, all that stuff. Take advantage of the summer and its bounty. A lot of people don't like thighs. I think thighs are even better for when you're repurposing like we are doing here, because they're a little more moist and they won't dry out. But I'm going to show you how to cook it where you don't even have to worry about the breast meat drying out. Nope, no siree, not me. Okay, we have 2 nice bags. So this way there's going to be no waste. Through the miracles of modern science and technology, I'll be back here in a few hours for you. See you tomorrow.